What's up, guys? Teacher on Two Wheels here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're an existing, welcome back again. Check it out, we're in Baker, California. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can see the big old thermometer. It's already 93 degrees and it is 6:09 in the morning. So we're on our way to Colorado for our first day, but we're gonna be working our way to the East Coast, specifically to Maine. So stick around, enjoy the ride. So we're in Beaver, Utah right now, and we just missed a storm, so we're about like 30 minutes behind it right now, but we might catch it. So they said it's heading in the direction that you guys are going to, so we'll see what happens. We're just gonna keep on plugging away at these miles, but check out they said we missed the storm, but look what's going on over there. So I've been seeing lightning and stuff, so we'll see. I got my rain gear. We're good to go.
Oh, rain on me, you stormy skies, wash my sins away. Let the thunder roll, let the lightning strike, until I'm clean again. Oh, moon shine bright behind the clouds, but don't you show your face till I'm clean by and by, and I'm free from earthly trials, till I'm new again after the rain. Oh, after the rain, when the clouds roll away, when my skin is soaked through with water, when the pain is awful great, I can face the coming days when I'm new again after the rain. When I come or go to the west, to the east, or the mountain or over the sea, it don't matter where I am.
All right, we're at another Love's truck stop, and this will be our final stop. We'll be getting into Colorado in a bit and arriving at my buddy's pad. So far so good. We've experienced a whole lot of stuff, man. We went from 100 degrees down to 63 degrees, blazing sun to rain, so we're experiencing it, but we're getting busy on these two wheels, so it's all good.
Be a happy man if those clouds just follow me. Someone said to me, you're a fool to wait, I will take you down to the river, and the stream will wash away all the my legs can't hold the weight. When I'm waiting for my fate, I'll be new again after the rain. Jesus.
Day one. How you feel, Joe?
I feel good. Let's go. Let's go.
700 miles. Let's do it.
For pouring down her holy love to save a wretch like me. Oh, after the rain, when the clouds roll away, when my skin is soaked through with water, when the night won't turn to day, when the pain is awful great, I'll be new again after the rain.
So we made it to Clifton, Colorado. That's where we're staying. This is my buddy's house. He's got a couple acres here. And he's got some cows. He's got a cool sun over there too. But look at the landscape here. He said, no more California. Beautiful. If you made it this far in my video, just like to say thank you guys for watching. Hit that like, subscribe. Let me know what's the furthest ride you've been on, and if you've ever been to Colorado. Beautiful over here. Thanks again, and we'll see you guys on the next one.